morning, Richard Alexander, founder of the Sustainable World Project and author of the Young World Leader program. I invite you to send in the answers to our 12 questions. Are you ready to change the world? What can stop you? There is only one thing that can stop you. It is the judgments in your conditioned mind. I have no money. I have no time. I am not good enough. This program won't work for me. Understand that these thoughts in your mind, think about those thoughts. Did you consciously choose the thoughts and then they came? No. These thoughts, these negative, sabotaging thoughts just come to the mind. If these thoughts just come to the mind, they are not yours. Learn to disidentify from any negative thoughts in your mind. It doesn't matter whether you're judging inside or outside. If you're judging inside, I'm not good enough. And believe me, I have been there. I'm in this journey for 19 years. And when I started, and for the very first time, I was thinking, I would like to change the world. The moment I was thinking these thoughts, my ego shut me down. What? Who do you think you are? You are not Gandhi. You are not Nelson Mandela. You cannot do this. You are not good enough. You are a failure. You are a loser. It took me 1 year, but then I discovered another voice inside. It said 2 words. A question. What if? What if you, watching this video, what if you have a unique role to play to transform our world, to take away the suffering? Would it be a life worth living? When I was your age, I didn't think much about myself. It took me a long time to understand that these thoughts are not true. You are so wonderful. You're so talented. You could do anything. Understand that you are not your thoughts. Negative judgment always stops us to move forward in life. You, and I mean this, you are too important to be stopped. You have a unique contribution to make to our world. If you are thinking thoughts which stop you, but deep down inside, you know that you're here with a purpose. You have this big love inside of you that says, I want to see a different world. And I'm willing to give it all I got. Just contact us if you have any thoughts which stop you. Understand that what we do is proven by the latest consciousness science. It is explained by ancient wisdom all around the world. A critical mass can change the collective mindset. This year we are uniting 50 primary leaders, and by December 2020 they will have united 700 youth leaders. This is enough to change the world. Claim your power. Send us the answers to the 12 questions. Send me an email send me a private message. Get yourself in the game. You are the most wonderful, the most talented, the most interesting, and the most extraordinary person in the universe. You have a unique gift to contribute. And I love these moments of magic where you just know that you're part of something bigger and that you are important.